Hi, this is Joy the Cobb Chick with Keystone Cottage. We are expecting another hurricane here in Florida. Okay, so we don't have any windows or doors in, so at least I don't have to worry about those getting busted up. I don't have to worry about flooding because there's not a lot of important stuff in there. It's pretty much just construction stuff, ladders, all that I had pulled inside. So hopefully that doesn't get sucked up, blown away, and land in somebody's yard. This is predicted to be one of the worst hurricanes, perhaps, as far as maybe estimating or damage, things like that. A few reasons. One is it's taking its time. Right now it's like slowing down, so it's just building up pressure, and it's estimated to be like a Cat 5 by the time it hits the coast of Florida, which, oh my goodness, you know. So who knows, maybe we'll be evacuated. By the way, if there's an evacuation notice, then leave. Be smart. Okay, seriously, that's the rule around here. Don't wait it out. But if it's one of those things of just buckle down, then that's what we do. But what this storm is supposed to do is it's coming right into Florida, or I guess the way you're watching it's coming right into Florida. And there's going to be, I guess, some wind gusts that's going to kind of take it up perhaps. So for one, we don't know where it's going to hit Florida, and we don't know where it's going to come up and wreak havoc. So these are just a few of the things to keep in mind. And there's nothing you can do about predictions like this. We don't know anything just yet. I am in the rain here, and you can hear thunder in the background. I probably should get out of this weather here. I mean, it's not like on the brink of the hurricane, but it's not far off either. But let's walk around and take a look and see what's going on with the cottage anyway. So this is my scaffolding. Those of you that have been out here, you're familiar with what this looks like. It kind of folds up into an A-frame, you know, folds out into an A-frame, and I had them set here with the bags on top, or bags, you know, down below, anchored and all that good stuff. But I decided it's best to take it down because it's got a little wiggle in it, so I didn't want it to wiggle and hit the top of this and ding up our new roof that we just put up. And it's actually elevated, so it doesn't get, hopefully, any water damage on it. Oh yeah, by the way, Alex, I'm borrowing your, I don't know what you call it, your forms for your earthen frame thing, your rammed earth frame. I'm borrowing them. So I know that he built some new ones, so I'm borrowing the old ones. Anyway. All right, let's take a look in here. So yeah, the sandbags, that's available for neighbors or whoever wants them. Some of them need to go, but some of them are still pretty good. So inside, here's our storage that we have here, a little bit. This is some more sandbags, shovel. And you know, one good thing about this is looking out the window here, we've got plenty of sand and clay too, if anybody needs it, I suppose. So got some gas cans for the neighbors. If they need anything, I'm just leaving this for them because they've been so supportive through this whole process. Sometimes I'm out here by myself, and it's just nice to know they're close by, so I'm leaving things available for them. I want you to see the landscape too. Right there's some roofing stuff I haven't picked up yet. It's kind of heavy, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that on my own. But out here, I just cleaned up and mowed about a week or so ago, so it looks all nice and pretty. And so after this hurricane, who knows what it's going to look like. That's one reason I'm showing it to you. So we will see. I'm actually under the edge of the roof line right here, our new roof that we put on. Look how it's dripping. I think it's really nice. It's really pouring off a lot of water. I don't know if you can see that too well, but looking down below here, you can see that I actually probably have enough room to put a chair and sit up and not get my feet wet or anything. But that's nice because it's a good 2 foot or more overhang from the wall. So theoretically, hopefully the wall's not going to get wet. I know with hurricanes there's a lot of side winds, but it's going to be okay. The goal is to have this building outstand other buildings, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think here. And I appreciate you doing this walkthrough with me because we don't know what a hurricane's going to do. This might be the last time that we're in this building. And I love it, love it, love it. It's my baby. Worked so hard on this thing, and so have everybody else. So I'm definitely open to you keeping this in your prayers, your meditation, all this other good stuff. It will be in mine as well. So once again, thank you so much, and be safe during this hurricane season. Thanks. Bye.